But first tonight, healthcare workers inside Singing River hospitals are seeing an overwhelming influx of patients.
Our Chancellor Wen brings us an inside look at how nurses at Singing River Hospital in Pascagoula are dealing with nursing shortages and a decreasing number of available beds.
Inside of the intensive care unit, nurses are mercifully caring for the sickest of COVID-19 patients.
I had a patient tell me one day that he said, I know I'm going to die. I literally walked out of the room and just put my back to the wall and cried, because what else do you do? I mean, and then I had to go wipe my eyes and clear them and go into my next person's room.
As ICU beds fill up, the emergency room is having to help care for COVID-19 patients, causing ER patients to have to wait for a bed to become available.
I can't abandon this. I can't. I mean, I've wanted to, but I haven't. It all adds up when you don't have beds to put them in. So, and then it even more adds up when you don't have the staff. So acuity at this point is priority. Like, whoever comes in the sickest is going to be seen.
The shortage of nurses is beginning to take a toll, as nurses are sometimes working 16-hour shifts.
We have a lot of people leaving because they see better opportunities other places, and we need people. This is a good hospital. This is a place I want to stay.
The Mississippi Emergency Management Agency says additional nurses are on the way, but Singing River Health System CEO Lee Bond says funds from the American Rescue Plan could provide a long-term solution.
We've got $1.8 billion coming into the state. If we could just allocate 25% of those federal funds, that's enough for 20 grand for every nurse in the entire state of Mississippi to do a 2-year contract to stay. That's a long-term solution.
Reporting in Pascagoula, Chancellor Wen, WLOX News Now.
As we've reported, 1,000 healthcare professionals are being deployed across the state this week. Singing River Health System is requesting 53 nurses and 18 respiratory therapists from the Mississippi Emergency Management Agency.